How to reset PS4 controller. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to reset PS4 controller. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Resetting a PS4 controller can be useful if you are experiencing connectivity issues, input lag, or other problems. Here is a step-by-step guide to resetting your PS4 controller. Soft reset. A soft reset can resolve minor issues without losing your controller's configuration. To do that, turn off your PS4. If your PS4 is on, turn it off completely. Second, locate the reset button. On the back of your PS4 controller, you'll find a small hole near the L2 trigger. Third, use a paperclip or similar tool. Straighten out a paperclip or use a similar tool. Insert it into the reset hole. Fourth, press and hold. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Fifth, release the button. After holding it for a few seconds, release the reset button. To hard reset your PS4 controller, a hard reset is more thorough and will reset your entire controller settings. To do that, turn off your PS4. Ensure that your PS4 is turned off completely. Second, connect your controller. Use a USB cable to connect your controller to the PS4 or a computer. Third, press and hold buttons. Press and hold the PlayStation button, the circular button with the PlayStation logo, and share buttons simultaneously. Fourth, hold until the light bar flashes. Keep holding both buttons until the light bar on the controller starts flashing rapidly. Fifth, release the buttons. Once the light bar begins flashing, release the buttons, and this is how you can reset PS4 controller. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.